Master Speaking Japanese is a tool to help your daily speaking practice to communicate smoothly in as little time as possible, especially in your busy life.
One lesson video is about 5 minutes. Start a steady step of one video a day and boost your confidence. All the lesson videos are developed specifically for the study of speaking Japanese. Have you noticed that for speaking Spanish or French, just knowing expressions is fine. But for speaking Japanese, a bit of everyday speaking practice is what you need. Just like learning the piano. Then you'll get the best result as quick as possible. 4 weeks from now, you'll be a much more confident Japanese speaker like all Arai Academy students answered on my survey. And you'll be able to use Japanese naturally in many different settings.
You'll enjoy the video-based learning.
Basically, each lesson has introduction, practice, model conversation, and conversation challenge with me. Each video is about 5 minutes, plus a quiz and an audio file of the model conversation. Just click a video a day, repeat after me, and answer to my questions. In this way, you can remember far better and more fluent, so it's perfect for a busy person like you.
Now watch how you go through each lesson video.